Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna dive into SLP once again, and please join me into the Discord. We do have a SLP channel right now, and people are talking about the coin itself, and seems like an amazing conversations out there. You can actually come in and read about it. So here we are. I'm actually gonna drop this very quick update. Yesterday, do remember about talking about the ABC correction on the Ilioif theory, which is actually playing out quite decently. We were updating back up when we were at the 33 level. We are now at 29 level. But what you want to know about today's update is a head and shoulders potential that has formed up. So here we are with the head and shoulder, and this is your left shoulder, this is your head, that's your right shoulder that has formed up. And considering now that you're going to be breaking out of this neckline from the top to the bottom right there, this is looking to take you all the way to the 15, which is actually going to be a nasty one, of course, completing that monstrous C correction, because when you have the A, the B, the C is bigger than the A potentially. It's always meant to be like that. And be careful, guys. One more thing I'm going to tell you is there's a descending triangle as well in here. If you actually notice this one, by today there's a apex coming in, and if you start to break out of this descending triangle, you measure from the top here to the bottom, and this is, since where you're breaking out of it, that's going to take you all the way down to the 23. So guys, be very careful, and that's the only thing you need to know about the update. No big fancy stories, and I'm gonna see you with the next update. I'm just kind of a little bit in a hurry today, and that's it. Allah Hafiz.